Casey.
All right, so Ozzy is enjoying the new floaty island. He seems to dig it, actually.
Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Say Casey. Love this, Casey. Woo!
Thank goodness his nails have been clipped recently, so he can't puncture it.
Don't you? No, it's okay. It's okay. Love you. He bit me last night. He's so I love you. Little bit. Yeah, I think he's probably had
No, he's digging it. He's enjoying it.
Yeah, he's doing alright. Oh, like, hold that when you come here. Yay! We're in the pool, splashing around.
Look at him. He's digging it. Look, buddy. He likes being on the pool float. He's in the pool float all by himself. Look at that. And he's very comfortable with it. Right, Ozzy?
Ozzy's a great man. Woohoo! Ozzy.
Ozzy, you're floating in the middle of the pool, buddy.
Ozzy. Woo! Come up here.
The world's first cockatoo that loves pool floats. He's actually digging it.
Yeah. He'll report.